Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of True Renunciation of Action, Chapter 5, Shloka number 29. Knowing me as enjoyer of sacrifices and austerities, the great Lord of all worlds, the friend of all beings, he attains peace.
Chapter 5, Shloka 29. भोक्तारं यज्ञतपसां सर्वलोकमहेश्वरं सुकृतं सर्वभूतानां ज्ञात्वा मां शान्तिं रुच्छति.
Chapter 5, Shloka number 29. What more should the meditator know, whose mind is steady and balanced, and upon whom should he meditate in Dhyana Yoga is explained in this shloka. Lord saying, knowing me as the enjoyer of sacrifices and austerities, the great Lord of all worlds, the friend of all beings, he attains peace. Lord Krishna is the Supreme Self, the eternal principle which controls everything, the Self in all, and not the mortal body as a friend of Arjuna. The God principle is the controller of the total mind and the enjoyer of sacrifices and austerities as the power behind the senses, as a deva or the illuminator. For example, when a man enters through the sense organ of eye, then the power of seeing as deva illumines the form for our perception. In this sense, Lord is the enjoyer of all the sacrifices and austerities. Yagna is the self-dedicated work which one performs in any field of activity. Tapas means all self-denial and practices of self-control which the ego undertakes in order to integrate and revive its own capacities to seek its real identity with the eternal. The Self is the one greater ruler within who presides over all activities in the body assembly, who is the one to whose altar the ego surrenders all its spiritual activities, and for realizing whom the seeker undertakes all self-denials and disciplines. Spiritual experience is realization of the Self to be the one great ruler within. More in the next chapter, in the next video. Om Tat. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.